Making animated characters talk using correct lip sync is so easy using Hedra.
My friends call me that AI chick, and I'm so happy you stopped by today to watch this video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own AI avatar to use in your own projects. Let's get started.
Today's lesson will focus on one thing. This is the #1 question I get on my YouTube channel, Makes It With AI. How do you make your YouTube avatar? So today I'm going to answer that question and show you exactly how I do it. I'll share the 2 different ways I do it using the 2 different lip sync softwares I always use. First, this is that AI chick. She is my main avatar for my YouTube channel, Makes It With AI. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make your own AI avatar for your projects using the exact methods that I use making that AI chick talk. I'll show you exactly how I make her 2 different ways, so you'll have a choice. First, let's get started with the basics. Before you get started, you'll need to create a really good, high-quality image. For years now, I've been using this site called Night Cafe. It's been around a really long time, but this is where I started working on my avatar years ago. As you can see, I've been working on this character for a while now. The most important advice I can give you here is, depending on whichever software you're using, Nano Banana or something else, you'll need to create you a really high-quality image and then upscale it. And I can't stress that enough. Upscale it 2x or 4x. The better your starting image, the better your lip sync videos will look. Now you're ready to go on to the next phase, which is actually animating it. Once you've got your starting image made, the next thing you'll need to do is put it in a software and actually lip sync it. I'll share the 2 that I use. The first one you just saw a moment ago was made with this tool right here, Dzine. I've been using this all-in-one tool for a long time too. It does an excellent job. Here are a few examples.
Making characters talk in Dzine is so easy to do.
Wait, Canva can do that? Yep, and the best part? You don't even need a paid plan to pull it off.
So you get the idea. Dzine does a really good job of lip syncing. Go directly to lip sync, then pick your image. See how it chooses a face? That's what you want to see. If for some reason you don't see it, you can click here. Then what you'll need to do is mark the face manually, and you'll draw a rectangle around it like that. And when it highlights it in gold, click Next. Then you'll choose your size, which is 16 by 9 in this case. Then choose Next. So this might be really tiny. If so, then go right over here and move the slider to enlarge it. Now you can see what's going on here better. In order to make this image talk, we're going right here and we'll pick a voice. You've got all kinds of voices in here to choose from. If you want to listen to a voice, just click right here to hear them. I'll choose Ember, then I'll put what I want my character to say right here. Choose your mode, standard or expressive, then choose the speed, I'll speed it up a little bit, and then click on Generate Audio. And if you don't like it, you can regenerate it for free, which is really nice. Click Apply when you're ready to make the recording. Here is the actual recording right here. You can move this around wherever you want to. What I would suggest you do is leave a little bit of blank space at the beginning and also at the end. Then watch it here just as a test to make sure it is correct. Then, if you like it, go up here and choose between normal or pro modes. For best quality, I always choose pro. It is so much better. And even though it does cost a little more, the quality is definitely worth it. So that gives you an idea of the lip sync quality inside Dzine. And now I'm going to show you the next way you can make your character do really excellent lip sync. And this is the way I make my avatars probably 98% of the time. The other software I use is Hedra. So I'm in the software. They've added all these other presets, transitions, memes, and more. And you can tell I've been using this for a while now. If you go to video, you'll add your start frame image here. So click on Add. I'll go to Upload and grab my image. So there's my start frame, and then I'll choose what kind of model I want to use. They've got lots of different ones in here, and they all cost different credit amounts depending on which one you choose. I would suggest just choose Hedra's Character 3. It is one of the cheapest ones, and it also does a really nice job with lip syncs. So that's what I would suggest you use, Hedra Character 3. Next, choose your aspect ratio, your duration, leave it on auto, choose 720 or 1080, and then you can choose how many videos you want to make. Time to add my speech. I'm going going to grab a recording and upload it. You could also drag and drop it in here. If you want to listen to it, click there. So now I've got my starting image, my audio, and now I'll describe what I want her to do and put it in here. Next, let's click here to start. Now it's starting to make the video. It'll take it a few minutes. In the meantime, I'll show you a few others. Let's look at a couple. So you see her face, her eyes are blinking, she's moving her head. It's really good. And you can see her fidgeting with her hands a little bit. So Hedra does a really good job as far as like making these look natural. Okay, this one is already done.
Making animated characters talk using correct lip sync is so easy using Hedra.
And if we want to download it, go right here and download it. And now it's ready to put in my next video. So I'll go back to Canva and drag in my new uploads, this one that I made in Hedra, okay? And I'm just going to add a little space in between them just to make a difference. So these are Dzine and this one's made in Hedra. Let's watch it.
My friends call me that AI chick, and I'm so happy you stopped by today to watch this video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own AI avatar to use in your own projects. Let's get started.
Making animated characters talk using correct lip sync is so easy using Hedra.
And now you can see the difference. If you want the character to use their hands, make sure your hands are showing clearly in the original image that you're starting with. That makes a big difference. That would be another thing I would highly suggest. But now you know, these are the two softwares I use the most. I use Dzine a lot for all kinds of things, and for my main AI avatar, probably 97% of the time, I use Hedra, so try them yourself. Both of them are paid tools. This is exactly what I do when I make my AI avatar, and that's the process. All right, so now you know how to do it. Now it's time for you to start creating your own AI avatar.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.